So hi guys, let's do a kind of simple lip design. Let me make the background to be black. I will do it sharp. I will just do it a kind of, it's just a ticks and trips that I got. So let me import the image. Where my image? Yeah, this one is on. Sure, I'll cut it like this and then just figure it right here. I will just make it right here. Let me leave it like this. I will go again and then figure out another one. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, let's do this one. So here we go with this one. So I will go to filter and then I will actually enable this to be -100. -100. So here we go, this one I will go and create a shape. Yeah, I will make this one to be gradient color black. I will just kind of leave it toward here. Yeah, well, here we go. So I will just kind of go to gallery and then import a kind of where is it light film. something like a light. Yeah, let me use this. Let me use this. Let me use this. Let me use this. Okay. Let me just go to erase color and then erase the black color. Make it tolerance should be 70. Okay, let me just put it like this. And I'll just kind of yeah. So let me go to follow filter and then make it -100 also. So I'll copy it, then put it in the space here. Copy it again, put it at the space here. So here we go. Now, so I'll just go to gallery and then import a kind of this. Let me make the color to be white. Yeah. So if I like, I will just import. Let me just import a Pixellab logo. So here we go. So this one I just did it for us to learn how to do the cropping parts. That's just the major thing that make me to do this. Thank you very much for your time. See you on the next tutorial. I can decide to save my work. Let me save it as ultra. I can decide to go to Snapseed and then do the edition. Yeah, yep. So I can decide to make it this. And I will go to color balance and then reduce this a little bit. And it's good, that's good, that's good. Let me go to sharpening and then sharpen it out. I think we are good to go. We are good to go. I think we are good to go. I think we are good. So it depends on how you want it to be. I can decide to just leave it like this. So here we go. I can decide to export my work. So here we go. We can view it. So you can see actually how to do the cropping part etc. So I'll leave the light film on the description menu so that you can actually download and then try on based on your own. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.